Hi, this is Guillaume from Spotahome Paris, and today we're at Pierre Street in Châtillon, which is a little suburb very close to Paris. In fact, we're at 4 stops from Paris center with the metro, and you're also 4 or 5 stops, I don't remember exactly, of RER express train from Orly Airport. The property that I'm going to show you today is a shared bedroom in an apartment of 2 bedrooms. So here's the hall. So the hall is a common area, and you have the bedroom just on the right there, on the left there, sorry, and the bathroom is just after. I'm going to show you the bathroom first. So it's very spacious. You have the shower there. The toilets are here. You have storage here. And also there on the other side. This sink will not stay, will not be here in your apartment, but the wardrobe there, it goes in the bedroom. I'm going to show you after. And this is the bedroom. So you have a sofa bed here. These things will not stay, but you have the sofa there, just underneath. And you have a desk there with the chair. You have also a fridge and a microwave. And there's also storage here. And again, let's take a look at the streets. So you have this window who's on the streets, and this one on the courtyard. So here it's the parking place, so you should be able to put your car here. So that was it. The room is for rent 1 month minimum. It's for 1 person only, and you can have pets, and it's for non-smokers only. That's all. Thank you for watching. This was Guillaume from Spotahome Paris. Merci, bien bientôt, au revoir.